everywhere. Look around and see, compare. Bright and bold or soft and light, colors make the world so bright.
Red, red like an apple so sweet.
Red like an apple so sweet.
Be careful, the stop sign on the street.
Be careful, the stop sign on the street.
Red is the color of roses that bloom in a fire truck siren with a mighty zoom. Orange, orange like an orange you peel.
Orange, orange like an orange you peel.
Pumpkins for pies, a basketball's feel.
Pumpkins for pies, a basketball's feel.
Sunset skies in the evening glow. Orange is the color that puts on a show. Orange, orange like an orange you peel.
Orange, orange like an orange you peel.
Pumpkins for pies, a basketball's feel.
Pumpkins for pies, a basketball's feel.
Sunset skies in the evening glow. Orange is the color that puts on a show. Yellow, yellow like a bun in his curve.
Yellow like a orange you peel.
Lemon so sour, what is seen to serve?
Lemon so sour, what is seen to serve?
A yellow light says slow it down, and sunflowers wear a yellow crown.
And sunflowers wear a yellow crown.
Green, green like the trees that sway.
Green, green like the trees that sway.
A pear to eat and grass to play.
A green and grass to play.
A green light shines, go ahead, be free.
A green light shines, go ahead, be free.
Green is the color for you and me. Blue, blue like blueberry small.
Blue like a berry small.
A sapphire shines like the night's blue shawl.
Sapphire shines like the night blue shawl.
A bluebird chirps as it flies up high. Blue is the color of the ocean and sky.
The color of the ocean and sky.
Purple, purple, purple like a plum so round.
Purple like a plum so round.
Purple cabbage in the garden is found.
Purple cabbage in the garden is found.
Eggplants grow with their shiny hue. Purple is magical and royal too. Pink, pink like a rose in bloom.
Pink, pink like a rose in bloom.
A flamingo stands tall, full of room.
A flamingo stands tall, full of room.
Pink cotton candy, a soft fluffy treat. Pink is a color so pretty and sweet. Brown, brown like a chocolate to bite.
Brown, brown like a chocolate to bite.
A squirrel's fur so cozy and light.
A squirrel's fur so cozy and light.
Acorns fall from the trees up high. Brown is earthy and makes us sigh. White, white like a swan on the lake.
White, white like a swan on the lake.
A dove in flight, what beauty they make.
A dove in flight, what beauty they make.
Fresh fluffy snow and a puffy cloud. White is soft yet strong and proud. Black, black like a raven in the sky. A panther prowls as it passes by. Coal that burns to keep us warm. Black takes on a mysterious forms.
Colors, colors all around. Everywhere can be found. Look outside and you will see colors in our world so free. Colors, colors all around. Which is your favorite to be found?